don't know what's gonna is. Hey gang, and welcome back. Okay, that was probably one of the worst things I've ever said on camera. Wow, I feel stupid. Anyway, welcome back to the channel. Today marks the first day of anything actually being done inside the new shop. And if you don't know anything about this, I'll link my video in the description below of this property that I've recently acquired. And it needs a lot of work, but gotta start somewhere. Either way, something different, a little bit change of pace is we're working on Old Reliable here, and she's my 2016 Sierra. I bought this thing brand new, and now it's at 120,000 miles, and it had its first breakdown, which I'm assuming is the thermostat or something like that. Very annoying, and obviously the car doesn't get up to temperature, so I'm going to change the thermostat, and I'm going to change the coolant temp sensor. I'm also going to do an oil change because it's way overdue, like every other car here, because of the last few months. And then we have an epic road trip for her because I'm picking up 2 vehicles in the next episode. After we get this thing all dialed in, cleaned up, and ready to go, we're going to go on a little bit of a road trip to pick up 2 vehicles for the channel, and she's going to do all the heavy lifting. So without further ado, let's get Old Reliable going here. So the thermostat is down here, not the world's hardest job. I'm gonna have to remove this intake. I'm gonna change the temp sensor because it's right next to it, and why not? We'll get that knocked out here in a few minutes. Then we'll change the oil. We'll get her cleaned up, and she'll be roadworthy and ready to take on another task. And if you guys don't know anything about this car, I don't think I covered it much in the channel, but this car has, this truck has been behind the scenes, been daily driver. It has taken me comfortably and reliably all across this country to different racing events, especially when I did all the endurance stuff, which I do plan on doing next year. But it has gotten me there and back. It has towed everything that you see and hear in one point or another, and other vehicles that you haven't even seen or I got rid of before I even started making YouTube videos. So I love this thing. It is one of the best vehicles I've ever owned in my life, and it probably doesn't get enough credit on the channel, but awesome vehicle. And for it to have its first breakdown at 120,000 miles, and not really a breakdown, it's just not getting hot because the thermostat failed, which is not an unusual thing for thermostats to fail. So I wouldn't even call it a breakdown because obviously it got me here and back when I figured out that it had an issue. But it has sat, it's been a little bit neglected. I've been driving to Tahoe, moving, working on the house, which there is an episode in the works that will be on the second channel on the house. Give me a couple more weeks. I got some more work to do, but hopefully maybe by the end of this new year, I'll have an episode up on the second channel of all the house stuff we're doing. It's a little bit chilly. I don't want to do this today. I'm just getting over being sick, but I got to leave in a couple of days, so I got to get this thing tip top. So let's get to it. All right, so truck is fixed, fans aren't running because they were running constantly before. Floor is washed. We'll move on to one more thing, but I guess before we do, if you own a GM and you want to reset the oil life, it's actually incredibly easy, which we'll knock out right now really quick while we're here. Put the key in on position, throttle pedal 1, 2, 3. That should be it. Keeps telling me the hood is open, and it keeps thinking it's 33 degrees outside, which it isn't, but that's okay. But that's it, she's reset. Now, moving on, we'll take her for a proper test drive here in a moment. But the next thing we got to do to prepare for our road trip to pick up, yes, another project, is we're gonna yank the battery out of this thing, gonna charge it up, and then bring it with us because the vehicle we are picking up needs a battery. I don't feel like spending $200 on one, so we're gonna steal the one out of the Mark III and use that. One battery acquired. And that will pretty much do it for this video. Short and sweet. I'm gonna go take the truck for a wash. I could do it here, but I'd rather use a pressure washer because I did a thing. And after that, we're gonna be roadworthy and road ready. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you tune in next week because next week we're taking this thing on a pretty long 1,000-mile road trip to acquire a couple more things for the farm here. So make sure you tune into that. Check out all the videos on my channel. Links in the description below. If you're confused by this setup, there's an explanation there for that as well. But thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.